6 reasons why black window frames are the hottest design trend. Dear friends, black window frames are quickly becoming one of the most sought-after design elements in both residential and commercial spaces. What was once seen as a bold and unconventional choice has now evolved into a modern and stylish trend embraced by architects, designers, and homeowners alike. Whether you're renovating your home or building from scratch, black window frames can offer a striking contrast and elevate the overall aesthetic. Bold and modern aesthetic. One of the main reasons black window frames are so popular is their ability to create a bold, modern look. Unlike traditional white or wooden frames, black frames make a strong visual statement that adds sophistication and style. Whether in minimalist homes, industrial lofts, or classic architectural designs, black window frames provide a timeless yet contemporary touch. Enhances the view. Black window frames have a unique ability to draw attention to the view outside. The dark hue creates a subtle contrast with the natural surroundings, allowing the landscape to become the focal point of the room. Whether you're looking out at a vibrant garden, a city skyline, or scenic countryside, black frames act like a picture frame, showcasing the beauty outside without distracting from it. Complements any color scheme. Black is one of the most versatile colors in the design, making it easy to incorporate into any color scheme. They provide a striking contrast to lighter walls and furniture, while also offering a sophisticated edge to more colorful or eclectic spaces. Their ability to blend well with virtually any palette is one of the key reasons black frames have become a go-to choice for modern interiors. Low maintenance and durable. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, black window frames are highly durable and require minimal maintenance. Many black frames are made from materials like aluminum, steel, or UPVC, which are not only long-lasting but also weather-resistant. This means they won't fade, chip, or require frequent repainting like wood frames might. With their ability to withstand the elements, black window frames are an excellent choice for homes in both urban and rural environments, offering both style and practicality. Creates a strong visual contrast. Black window frames provide a striking contrast against both light-colored walls and natural surroundings. This strong visual contrast can help accentuate architectural details, whether it's the clean lines of modern design or the intricate features of a traditional home. The dark frames help define the boundaries of windows and enhance the overall structure of a building. The effect is subtle but powerful, making spaces feel more grounded and balanced. Increasing popularity in sustainable design. As more homeowners and designers embrace sustainable living, black window frames are becoming part of a broader design movement that focuses on longevity and efficiency. Many black window frames are made from energy-efficient materials that help reduce heating and cooling costs. Create a timeless look for your home with black window frames. From their bold aesthetic appeal to their practical benefits, black frames offer a range of advantages that make them an ideal addition to any space. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.